In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize table fields in Airtable. Whether you're managing a project, tracking client interactions, or organizing any other type of data, Airtable's flexibility can fit your needs. Customizing table fields is a crucial step in making sure your base is tailored to reflect exactly what you're working on and how you want to see it presented. First, let's get started by opening your Airtable base. You need to navigate to Airtable and identify the specific table within your base that you plan to customize. With your table open in front of you, you're ready to begin personalizing how your data is managed and displayed. The next step is to select the field or column you want to customize. Simply find the desired field and click the drop-down arrow next to its name. This drop-down serves as your gateway to customizing various aspects of the field to better suit how it should be used in your table. Once you've opened the drop-down, go ahead and click either Edit Field or Customize Field. This will open the Field Settings panel, which is an essential tool for tailoring each field to your specific needs. Let's delve into some of the key components you can adjust here. One of the first things you can do is rename the field. Giving your field a clear, concise name can make all the difference in understanding your table at a glance. For instance, if the field originally says Column A, you might change it to Status, Client Name, or Due Date depending on the data it holds. Next up, you'll want to consider the field type. This defines how the data is stored and displayed within that field. Airtable offers a variety of field types to match different data needs. For names and titles, you might go with a single line text. If you need to add more detailed notes, a long text type would be best. Numbers are great for quantities, while currency fields handle prices effortlessly. You have options for dates, checkbox fields for yes or no questions, and single or multiple select fields for drop-down menus. Each type serves a unique purpose, ensuring your data is categorized correctly. For fields that use selections, you can dive even deeper by modifying the drop-down options. This means you can add new choices, rename existing ones, change color codes for better visual organization, and reorder items according to priority or process flow. For example, you might have options like New Lead, Contacted, and Closed for tracking a sales pipeline. Also, pay attention to number formatting options. Here you have control over the presentation of your numbers with options like setting decimal places, showing percentages, or using different currency symbols. Similarly, date formatting allows you to set the structure that best suits your workflow, such as adjusting time zones or the way dates and times are displayed. Lastly, consider setting default values. This feature automatically fills in specific values for new records, saving you from the repetitive task of entering common information. Whether it's maintaining a standard status or ensuring dates are added, these defaults can boost your efficiency, and that's how you navigate and customize table fields in Airtable. By following these steps, you can enhance the functionality and clarity of your tables, ultimately making your data management tasks easier and more intuitive.